Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I am playing with some sticker papers. Sorry I didn't catch the very first of that. Not sure what happened. Losing footage is becoming a trend. Anyway, I'm just taking watercolor. I'm using my Daniel Smith watercolor and just covering some sticker paper. I thought it would be fun to see what I end up with. And I'm just making it really watery and just covering the whole thing with color. I think I end up getting too big of puddles, so I roll over it with a paper towel, and I don't like the pattern on there, so I've got to go through and brush that out, and I decide I want more color. So I actually just grabbed this piece of paper and didn't realize it was sticker paper until right before I started, and I'm like, heck, why not? I'm thinking of starting a series, maybe one a month or so, which is I'm going to call Build My Stash. So this would be video 1 for Build My Stash. My stash is just paper and ephemera, stickers and whatnot that are handmade by me that I can have whenever I'm making something, and I can just grab and stick it on. Instead of trying to find stuff or buying stuff, I'm going to have a bunch of homemade stuff. Anyways, I thought it sounded like a good idea. I mean, I have a lot of stuff already. You know, I have washi tape, which I haven't made any. I have plenty of that. But I just wanted to play with the sticker paper and figured it would be a good start. So here I'm using stamps by Gina B Ahrens, and I will link to her Etsy store below in case you're interested in the stamp set, and I use a bunch of other of her products. I'm on her design team. This video is not one that's for her design team. I'm just using a ton of her products because it's what I've got. And the idea is just to cover everything up, because you're going to just use one sticker, so you like to have a lot of stuff going on, so each sticker has some fun stuff going on. And I really like doing this because it's just so much fun to see what ends up on one sticker. So with the words, I am trying to fit them on a sticker so you're not getting half a word. So that one I'm being particular about. And the word heart I am being particular about too. But otherwise, it's just going wherever I can fit it. So I decided to pull out some paint. So I'm getting out some Dylusions paint and an arrow stencil. This is one of Gina's again. And the arrows are much bigger than the actual label stickers, so you'll only get a part of one, but I thought it would be fun to just put it on anyway. I think I just do a couple of colors and then I'll go for a smaller stencil here in a second. There we go. This one is still too big for the label, but it'll make an interesting pattern anyway. So I thought I'd add some polka dots. They end up being a little bit messy. I think I got a little too much paint on my sponge. Alright, so I thought I would try to use one of my many white pens. And they're just irritating me. This one is my white Gelli roll pen. Brand new one. It should work beautifully. Yeah, it's working better than the others, but I can't say it's, you know, perfect. I did break down and buy me some Posca, so in the future I will have a Posca. Hopefully it'll last longer than a day. So now I decided I'd just grab some of my other colored pens and do some outlining and some doodling just to add more, because there's so much more that could be filled up on these little labels. So here's one of them. See, isn't that cute? Okay, we're putting it back. Put it back. I decided to pull out a paint marker, and I'll try to remember to put the list of ingredients in the description box below so that you can see what all I actually used. And if I can find links to them, I will. This one I got through Art Snacks, but maybe I can find it on Amazon. A lot of my pens I got through Art Snacks, except for my white ones. Alright, so here's a couple of close-ups. You can see all the doodling and mark making. Anyways, I think they're going to be fun stickers. I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like. Feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.